Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by -0.18% compared to the same day last year, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 0.67% compared to the same day last year, and the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 0.48% compared to the same day last year.
Latest news.
Tokenized U.S. Treasuries market grows sevenfold in 2023. Tokenized versions of U.S. Treasury bonds have grown nearly sevenfold in 2023, with competition between investment offerings and blockchain venues intensifying. The market for tokenized treasuries has surged to 638 million as of Monday from around 1 million at the start of the year, driven by growth from existing platforms and new entrants. Ethereum, ETH, has overtaken the Stellar, XLM, network in the value of treasury tokens on-chain, while later entrants Polygon, Matic, and Solana, Sol, attracted over 40 million of assets combined. Permissionless yield-bearing stablecoin alternatives have emerged as a new avenue for tokenization, with Ondo Finance debuting its USDY token and Mountain Protocol unveil USDM. The market for tokenized assets could grow to 1 trillion by the end of the decade, according to investment firm 21.co. Ubisoft to end online support for 10 major franchise games. Ubisoft will end online support for 10 games from major franchises, including Assassin's Creed, Tom Clancy's Splinter Cell and Ghost Recon series. Players will no longer be able to use online play modes, connect to a Ubisoft account, earn Ubisoft Connect rewards or utilize other online features in each affected game. The games will go offline on January 25, 2024. Ubisoft regularly disable online functionality for older or less popular games, citing the resources needed to pay for and maintain servers. Gaming and Metaverse tokens see double-digit gains amid Bitcoin ETF speculation. The gaming and Metaverse tokens have seen significant gains over the past week, with Gala Games Gala token rising 42% and AXS jumping 28%. ApeCoin and Mana also saw significant increases. The gaming space is led by Axie Infinity, with AXS up 28% and ApeCoin at $1.36. Legacy, a business simulator game from 22 Cans, was also a top gainer. Bitcoin, which is up 10%, is the only cryptocurrency with a price increase over the last 7 days. Starknet Foundation allocates 50 million STRK tokens to early community member program. The Starknet Foundation has allocated 50 million STRK tokens to its early community member program, ECMP. The program aims to support the development of Starknet, a Layer 2 blockchain built on Ethereum. The tokens will be used as incentives for early developers and contributors. The application process for the program will run until November 19th, with decisions made by December 29th. The tokens are locked up until at least April, making it difficult to estimate their value. Starknet is the 6th largest Layer 2 blockchain with 1.47 million of deposits or total value locked. The Starknet Foundation's mandate includes fostering the community of Starknet users, developers, and researchers, as well as overseeing the continued development of the network and advancing research. Andreessen Horowitz plans to raise 3.4 billion for early and seed-stage venture funds. Andreessen Horowitz, a 16Z, is reportedly planning to raise 3.4 billion for its next early and seed-stage venture funds. The largest venture capital firm by assets under management is expected to launch its fundraising efforts by the end of this year, with the aim of closing them during the first half of 2024. A 16Z is primarily known for focusing on technology, the burgeoning AI sector, and social media platforms for investment. However, the firm's portfolio also includes investments in crypto projects and businesses. Some of A16Z's notable crypto investments include Coinbase, Aptos, Avalanche, Dapper Labs, Layer 0, OpenSea, and WorldCoin. Crypto investing will continue to be a priority, with new investing vehicles expected to arrive in 2025. A16Z has also shown growing interest in the UK market and wrote to the UK government in response to a February call for consultation on crypto regulation. Marshall Islands advances legislation for decentralized autonomous organizations. The Marshall Islands has passed legislation that strengthens its previous law recognizing DAOs as legal entities. The amended Decentralized Autonomous Organization Act of 2023 provides faster registration times and specifies that DAOs will not be held responsible for the use of open-source software they create. The Marshall Islands is also the first to bring into law Series DAO LLCs, allowing sub-DAOs to have separate assets and liabilities. DAOs or members of a DAO in the Marshall Islands can register on medao.org and hire Medao as a registered agent to complete the process. Animoca brands partners with Saudi Arabia's Neom project to advance crypto adoption in Gulf region. Animoca brands and Neom have announced a strategic alliance and investment deal. The companies will collaborate on digital infrastructure projects to support Neom's vision to decentralize goals and establish a hub to grow the local blockchain ecosystem. Neom will invest $1 million in Animoca brands, and the two companies will spend $1 million each on convertible notes and buying up Animoca shares on the secondary market. Majid Mufti, CEO of Neom Investment Fund, is excited about partnering with Animoca brands to support the development of their digital infrastructure. The collaboration will include various Web3 and Metaverse projects tailored to Neom's futuristic vision. Neom is a planned urban metropolis in the Tabuk province of Saudi Arabia, and it has faced criticism and scrutiny over the alleged forced eviction of local tribe members. Ripple co-founders, non-profit navigation fund addresses AI chip shortage with leasable capacity. Navigation Fund, co-founder of Ripple, is offering AI chip capacity through Voltage Park subsidiary. The service is currently available on an hourly, monthly, or long-term basis and will expand by early 2024. Voltage Park has 240 NVIDIA H100 GPUs grouped into interconnected clusters and is currently auctioning off contracts with lengths of 1 to 3 months. The organization is addressing the AI chip shortage and stating that the market for cutting-edge machine learning compute is broken. Navigation Fund will provide grants this year and expand programs in early 2024. Exploring Bitcoin's potential in Cape Verde's economy. A Cointelegraph investigation found that Bitcoin, BTC, could be a tool for progress in the island nation of Cape Verde. The country, which has 10 main islands and several smaller islets, relies heavily on tourism and remittances. The country's use of three currencies, the local escudo, the US dollar, and the euro, presents multiple issues in the economy. The country's incumbent financial systems hinder Cape Verdeans from spending, saving, and sending money as easily as in Western economies. One of the first business owners in Cape Verde to accept Bitcoin, Renato Ivarchi, discussed the economic situation and how more Cape Verdeans are warming up to a borderless, immutable, and decentralized internet currency. Chain of Alliance releases Alpha 3.0 update with new features. Chain of Alliance, a blockchain-powered RPG, has launched its Alpha 3.0 update, introducing new features such as daily quests, species, and classes. The update includes new Assassin class and Shayborn species, which has a powerful flurry skill that allows it to deliver 2 consecutive attacks. The game's core revolves around NFT characters, where players create and collect fragments to strengthen their heroes. The game emphasizes true ownership through NFTs, and the upcoming Aoki token will play pivotal roles in the ecosystem. Aoki collaborates with Stepn for exclusive digital sneaker collection on Solana NFTs. Stepn, a mobile move-to-earn game, has collaborated with electronic musician Aoki to release an exclusive collection of digital sneakers via Solana NFTs. The collection will feature 300 collaborative sneakers in 4 designs, including walker, jogger, runner, and trainer. The game will release 60 editions of each NFT design through the Moore marketplace from October 31 to November 4, with an additional 60 NFTs distributed to Aoki's fan community. Stepn is a move-to-earn game where users can purchase NFT sneakers, connect them to their phones, and earn rewards for walking, jogging, and running. Aoki has released several NFT projects in recent years, partnering with companies like Gala Games and Nickelodeon, as well as renowned comic book artist Todd McFarlane. Fine Satoshi Lab is preparing to launch its next game after Stepn, called Gas Hero, which challenges players to battle each other in a future dystopian world devastated by a rogue AI overlord. Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT floor price rises to 30 ETH. Foresight News reports that the floor price of the Bored Ape Yacht Club Base C Series NFT has risen to 30 ETH, following an increase of approximately 73% from its low point in August. The NFT series is popular among collectors and has been a subject of speculation. ZkDay Istanbul conference to focus on zero-knowledge proof scalability solutions. The ZkDay Istanbul conference, which focuses on zero-knowledge proof scalability solutions, is set to take place on November 13th. The event is hosted by the Manta Network, Polychain Capital, Neom, Foundation, and Cointelegraph. The conference aims to foster learning, networking, and progress of ZK technology across the blockchain space. The event will feature over 10 curated early-stage ZK projects, venture capital and ZK panels, and sponsor booths for attendees to interact with. The ZkDay pitch competition will also take place, where ZK-focused projects can showcase themselves to the community. Eligibility criteria for the competition include a solid idea and projects seeking funds or those that have completed their seed round. The winner of the competition will receive a tailored advertisement program from Cointelegraph, with an estimated budget of 20,000,000, 0,000,000, and a chance to secure a share of the sponsor-backed prize pool. The conference will also feature keynote speeches and industry panel talks from over 20 distinguished speakers, providing networking opportunities for attendees to connect with key industry players.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.